So to make the first one, here we have cut many circles of different sizes, and we are firstly going to apply a layer of gesso on it, and now you can paint it with all the colors you want to. So firstly I am painting it with mustard shade, then I am going to paint the next one with orange, the other next one I'll paint it with red, like this. Paint the other one with red only. Now the next one again with the lighter tone of yellow. It's lemon yellow and that was golden yellow. Now the next one I'm going to paint it with blue. So make sure that you also cover the edges of the cardboard, like this. Paint it. Paint the next one with green. Next shade with dark green, aqua green and light green. Now the next one with navy, and you can write the quotes that you want to. So I have made the one with black also, and this is how it looks. So let's move ahead on a second DIY. Now to make the second one, we have taken a rectangular cardboard piece and we're going to stick small rectangles as the bricks, and we're going to cut the extra. And now here we have taken a tissue paper and we're going to stick it on it and let it dry. And now we're going to apply a layer of gesso. So now we are going to paint it with brown paint, let it dry, make some lines with black to highlight it, and we have written home sweet home. You can write any quotation you want to, stick these hooks, and this one is also ready. So now for our next DIY, here we have taken 4 triangular shaped cardboard pieces. Firstly we are going to again stick tissue paper on it. This is the paste that we have prepared with Fevicol and water. Apply a layer of black gesso first, and then here we have taken 3 wooden sticks. We have painted it with white paint. Stick it on the edges with a glue gun, and using wall putty paste we have taken these paintings. You can make anything you want to, and this is how it looks. Now for our last one, here we have taken a cardboard piece, stick foam sheet bricks in rectangular shape, cut the excess, paint it with black, let it dry, and then we're going to add some copper paint to highlight the bricks, and then we have used the disposal cutlery. So thank you.